In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add response validation to Google Forms. This is a fantastic way to ensure that the data you're collecting is accurate and meets your specific needs, which in turn helps you make informed decisions based on reliable information. Let's get started by accessing your Google form. Log into your Google account and navigate to the form you want to work on. If you don't have one open, you can always create a new form by going to Google Forms via your browser. Once you're in your form, either add a new question or select an existing one that you'd like to validate. Response validation works well with several types of questions, including short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, and drop-down. It's important to choose the right type of question based on the kind of information you wish to collect. Selecting the correct question will set a solid foundation for the validation process. Next, we need to turn on the response validation feature. To do this, go to the bottom right of the question you want to validate, and you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called More Options. Click on these dots, and you'll see an option for response validation. Click it, and you'll open a new set of options that allows you to specify the rules for valid responses. This is where the real magic happens. Now let's set the validation rule itself. For instance, if you're using a checkbox question and you want respondents to select at least 2 options, you'll choose Select At Least from the drop-down next to the question type and enter 2 as your minimum number. This helps ensure that respondents are providing the amount of information you require for an accurate analysis. You also have the option to customize the error text. This is a message that pops up when someone enters an invalid response. Keep it clear and polite, something like, "Please select at least 2 options." This gentle reminder will guide your respondents to provide the correct information without feeling discouraged. Once you've set up your validation, it's always a good idea to test your form. Click on the eye icon at the top right of the screen to preview it. This will show you exactly what your respondents will see. Try entering some invalid responses to make sure the validation rules you established are working as expected. This step ensures that the instructions you set will effectively guide your audience in providing the correct data. Good data starts with good questions and even better validations. By following these steps, you'll be able to enhance your Google Forms and ensure that you're collecting data that is both useful and accurate, making your data collection efforts much more efficient. So go ahead and make your Google Forms smarter with response validation. Happy form building!